Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Call of Dragons for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So it's very easy, guys. Basically just go to this website, it's called Zoom Mods, and once you're on the site, just type in Call of Dragons and it should come straight up. So as you can see, it says Call of Dragons mod, so just press on this, it's going to start downloading. Alright, so before it downloads, guys, you are going to have to do a verification. This is very easy, and basically it's just downloading some apps and like completing the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, alright, so it's going to bring us over here to this page, and it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install the Call of Dragons mod. Now the problem is there's a lot of people that will download 2 of the instructions, so make sure you read them. Family Island, for instance, is down to complete level 10. We got TikTok down to run for 30 seconds, so make sure you read them. So just press on the app, press tap to install, it'll take you to the app store, and then you just gotta download it and run it. So I do Family Island usually because it's a cool one, and I just had to reach board level 10, guys, so that's fairly simple. It's a game. Obviously they're all going to be 100% different, and if you're in a different country you might even see a totally different app, but it doesn't matter, guys. Make sure you go ahead and complete it and you're going to be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but that's how you get this Call of Dragons hack. Just make sure you do the verification and you're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, and peace out.